Kalibani is a 160 kilometers long river that flows in the central part of Punjab, the land of 5 rivers. It's a sacred river associated with the first Guru of the Sikhs, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who is believed to have got enlightenment on its banks. It was on its banks that he uttered for the first time the Mool Mantra of the Gurbani.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूर्त आजुनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद.
It is also the lifeline of Doaba, the central part of Punjab, which is known as the granary of India. It drains out excess of water from the waterlogged areas of district Hoshiarpur and checks the depletion of water table in district Kapurthala. When Sant Balbir Singh Sichewal began the car seva of the river in July 2000, Kalibani was in an extremely pitiable condition. It had turned into a dirty drain due to fast-growing urbanization. High-sounding promises of green revolution had played false with it. It was just on the verge of extinction when Sant Sichewal came to its rescue. Even prior to his work on the holy river, Sant Sichewal was well known for his remarkable contribution in various fields of public welfare. When he became the head of Nirmal Kutia Sichewal in 1988, he started imparting religious and environmental education to small children. Out of this simple school grew many schools, a college and technical training centers, where the poor, needy, the handicapped and orphans are taking high advanced education free of cost. Apart from education, connectivity among the people is also a basic requirement for sustainable social and economic development of the country. In November 1991, he started preparing roads in remote areas of Punjab in order to promote connectivity. He built a large network of roads in the state and came to be known as Saint of the Roads. At the outset of the car seva of the Holy Bain, Sant Sichewal started preparing roads on the banks of the river. From 2000 to 2007, the river was cleared of hyacinth, silt and dirt. A 110-kilometer long road was built along the banks of the river. At the places of Galowal, Bulat, Subhanpur, Kanjli and Sultanpur Lodi, beautiful bathing ghats were built on the banks. At Sultanpur Lodi, the Holy Bain has become a beautiful picnic spot. Bricked roads have been made on both sides. Flower and fruit trees have been planted. In its waters run beautiful boats. Every year, a large Nagar Kirtan is organized along the river on the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. It begins at Dhanoa, the birthplace of the holy river, and ends at Sultanpur Lodi, the place sacred to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. These religious processions have become an instrumental to promote environmental awareness among the people. Throughout the year, there are regular celebrations of Vaisakhi, Purnima, Amavasya, Gurpurabs and other festivals. The Kar Seva has proved to be reviver of the dying river Kalibain. It has not only highlighted the religious importance of the river but also opened new vistas for economic development of the whole area. In district Hoshiarpur, 6,000 acres of land have been reclaimed from waterlogging. In district Kapurthala, about 1,35,000 hectares of land have been saved from depleting water table. The water table has started rising and the hand pumps dried up have started giving water again. The Kar Seva has shown the bane of dirty wastewaters of villages and towns can become a boon for agriculture. In the historical town of Sultanpur Lodi, an 8-kilometer long pipeline has been laid for supplying treated sewage water to the farmers for irrigation purposes. A large number of farmers are availing of this opportunity. Such arrangements have been made successfully in Sultanpur Lodi, Sichewal and 22 other villages along the Huli Bain. The Kar Seva has shown how community participation can work wonders. It shows the way to a pollution-free earthly heaven. All over the world, Sant Balbir Singh Sichewal's work has been admired by the people with a positive thinking. Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, praised the Kar Seva of Sant Balbir Singh Sichewal on the Holi Bain in 22 of his national and international speeches. On the 17th of August 2006, Dr. Kalam himself spared some time to pay a visit to the historical city of Sultanpur Lodi. Speaking to the gathering of numberless Kar Sevaks on the banks of the Holi Bain, he expressed his heartfelt emotions. I congratulate the Babaji and his team for their perseverance in organizing the cleaning of Kali Bain river and arranging continuous flow of water leading to improvement in groundwater availability in the region. Babaji, during the last 2 decades, has worked on educational projects, provided knowledge to the children and started preparing roads backward areas of Punjab. He is popularly known as Saint of Roads. In addition, he had planted numerous fruit orchards on the wasteland along the roads and rivers. His major contribution is the establishment of a low-cost sewage system in many villages and towns in Jalandhar, Kapurthala and Hoshiarpur districts. This I consider as a noble mission. My best wishes to Baba Balbir Singh Sichewal and his team for success in their noble mission of promoting the environment, improving the quality of life of people and creating a beautiful atmosphere for national and international visitors.